Y'all ever play Aliens and Cowboys?
Yo! How you play that? Are they real aliens or like, you know, to play? It don't matter. How you play?
It's like a role-playing game. Like, we all play different parts to like save the universe.
I call cowboy!
I'm the cowboy, man.
There can't be more than one?
Nope.
Man, that's a stupid rule. Come on, man. Let me be the cowboy. Come on.
It's just a game, man.
Are the aliens the bad guys?
Some of them.
Oh, so they're like good aliens.
I don't know, man. It's just like the Cowboys like don't understand them. Exactly. They're just scared of them.
Man, that sounds corny. Let me be the cowboy. Come on.
Can I be whatever kind of alien I want? Are there costumes?
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Fine.
Alright, this how it go. You three be the aliens, and I'm trying to capture you to take you back to my home planet to do all these like crazy experiments on you.
Ooh. Like inject us with the disease to see its effects.
Yeah.
Ooh. Or exposing us to heightened levels of radioactive material to see if we grow a third head.
Sure.
Ooh. Or like seeing how much pain we can endure.
Hey.
Or making us hate ourselves because we don't look like them by bombarding us with photographs of what they look like everywhere so that it's all we can see.
Well, damn. When you put it like that.
Let's do it.